cake. Ooh, cookies, pie, cobbler. So many recipes, so many cookbooks, so little time.
So the next Facebook recipe is a recipe that we're going to be serving on some mashed potatoes. So I've already peeled and cut up the potatoes, and I am boiling them in beef broth to give it more of a flavor. You could do that. You could do chicken broth, whatever the case may be. But we're making some mashed potatoes. I'm giving the potatoes a little head start. I did not salt my water because the broth already has salt in it. So, making some mashed potatoes. And then we'll get to the Facebook recipe here in a minute. What are we making today on this stormy day, which is a Facebook recipe, a recipe I seen on Facebook, and I did save because I do love recipes. So this recipe was posted by Bluegrass Family. It is a hamburger and hamburger gravy with mashed potatoes, and here's how I'm making my mashed potatoes, at least the potato part. So now, here in a minute or two, we're going to have to get that hamburger meat starting to brown. So the first thing we need to do is to brown our hamburger meat, which, you know what? My hamburger meat is, deer booger is frozen, so I was letting it thaw this morning. Obviously didn't thaw in the fridge, so because I was busy outside with doing on something else. So if you have this problem, let me show you what you gotta do. So, like I said, frozen hamburger meat, no problem. Use 2 forks. And all you have to do is keep flipping it over and scrape off the part that has been cooked. No problem. And of course, yes, I'm using an iron skillet. I'm going to go ahead and add the other cups slowly, because we don't want no lumps in our gravy. So, and I am using broth from the potatoes. Just a FYI, I thought that would give the gravy a lot more flavor. So we just need to cook this until it starts getting thick. Our mashed potatoes are already done. So now that our hamburger is brown, we're going to sprinkle over a package of beef gravy mix, or you could do homemade like I am doing, and 2 to 3 tablespoons, and that's all you need. So now it says to add 1.5 cups. Slowly add it and mix it in to your hamburger. So that was 1/2 cup. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the other cup, So with the water, you could have added milk as well. I mean milk instead of the water. I added the water. Actually, I added broth from the taters that was cooked in. So wait until this gets thick. And then we're going to have hamburger gravy with mashed potatoes. But a good protein source.